Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Nito coming at you today with another video, and today we're gonna take this and turn it into this. Welcome back to the channel. Holy smokes, it's been a while. How have you been? I've been doing well. Hope you've been being safe and stuff. I've been working on a lot of other things aside from YouTube videos, and I just wanted to come back with something super duper cool. So hope you like it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Neat. I am a music producer from Calgary. I like anime. I like collecting things. I play video games. I stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/neatplays. And if you don't follow me on any other social networks, be sure to do so. Links are down below. I got a link tree now. That's a new thing. It's got everything. As I said in the intro, we're going to be customizing an MPD24. If you see my videos in the past, you know that I have a custom MPD32 themed after Yui Hirasawa from K-On! And I love it. This is my baby. One of a kind. It's authentic. But I did get a really wicked deal on this. It was like 10 bucks. Buttons were all mangled up and it's in kind of rough shape. So I wanted to take this opportunity to actually customize it, make it my own, and really just have fun with it. It's a little bit smaller. I like it. Take a look. In comparison, that's a thumbnail right there. It's been a very long time since I've actually done a custom, so we're gonna take our time, do the thing, and see where it takes us. The theme that we're going for is Shiro from No Game No Life, Season 2 win. And I just want to let you know this video is not sponsored at all. All the things that I'm gonna mention right now are paid with my own pocket.
Pockets ain't empty, cuz.
But I will link the sites down below. Anybody want to hit me up with them sponsorships? First things first, we got some thick pads from npcstuff.com. Now it depends on which controller you got, but since we're doing an MPD24, we got these ones, purple thick pads. They're actually really dope, really thick, nice and big. They feel really good. They are a little hard though, so if you're a finger drummer, you might get them swollen fingers after a while of finger drumming. But other than that, really nice. They got a whole bunch of colors. We chose purple for our theme today, and I like them. They also come with these little rubber pads to put on the back of the thick pads to increase sensitivity. First step, thick pads. Next step would be to get some custom knobs and faders. I got mine from DJ Tech Tools. Their line is called Chroma Caps, and I actually really like them. They kind of have this rubbery feel to them, and if you're a DJ, you already know kind of gripping to your knobs and faders is pretty important, unlike the stock ones, which are kind of slippery, they're plasticky. But these guys, they really do help, and they come in all sorts of colors. We got blue, and there's some purple ones down here as well. But I really like how they look, how they feel, and they're nice. They're built really nice. But yeah, Chroma Caps, that is the next step. And lastly, we have our custom artwork. I ordered mine from styleflip.com, and bam, we flip that over and we have our custom artwork. Shiro from No Game No Life theme going on. I actually made the collage first in Photoshop, and then I imported it into their editor. Really easy to use, and you just do the thing like that. They got a whole bunch of templates depending on which controller you want to customize, but this one is specific to the MPD24, and it turned out really nice. So be sure to check them out, styleflip.com. I can't wait to put this on. It's gonna look super good with everything combined. So yeah, and with all that out of the way, let's get started and put everything together and see how she turns out.
童貞卒業おめニートです。
just a quick thing, because I was having a little bit of trouble with this top area here, just screwing these in. But turns out I actually used the wrong screws. So there are two types of screws. This is probably specific to the MPD24, but you can see this one, the threads are a little more spaced out. This one, they're closer in together. These guys go at the top. Just a heads up, because I made a mistake. I wasn't sure what I did wrong, and then that's what happened. So these screws. And so there you have it, our custom MPD24 Shiro from No Game No Life. Is beautiful, man. I love how it turned out. What else could I say about it, dude? One thing I wanted to note about the decal here, it was just slightly off, but the holes and everything, they kind of cut out properly. The buttons were able to fit in properly as well, and the knobs and faders, all of it came through good. And also, I left two of the screws out at the back here just because it wouldn't go in all the way. So I'm like, I'll just leave you out. Decided to go with a big purple knob, blue faders and blue knobs, and the big thick pads. The decal was pretty easy to put on as well. You cut half of it and you lay it over top, and then you remove the other side and you do it that way. But overall, I'm really liking how it looks, and the back too. Oh, it's beautiful. So now we can compare. Oh, I love it. So this is the MPD32 and this is the MPD24. Size difference, but also just look at that. The color difference I really like. So these are my two custom MPDs. Hope you like that video. If you like it, like it. If you don't. Feel free to subscribe. If you want to see some future videos, hit that bell as well. Linktree's down below. Hit me up on Twitch, twitch.tv/NeekPlays every Tuesday and Thursday. Man, that was a pretty dope video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing it. It took me all day, but I really enjoyed making another custom controller. Hope you're doing well. Be safe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Boosh.